Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. JavaScript variables are fundamental elements used to store and manipulate data within a program. They act as containers for values and can be defined using keywords like var, let, and const, each serving different purposes regarding scope and mutability. In the context of Visual Studio Code, a popular code editor for JavaScript development, users benefit from features like syntax highlighting, code suggestions, and integrated debugging tools that enhance the coding experience. This code supports extensions that can further improve JavaScript development, such as linting tools that help maintain code quality and formatting. Overall, understanding JavaScript variables and utilizing an efficient code editor like Code are essential for effective coding and building robust applications.